Nature holds us together like a mother. She flourishes when we hold her hands together and grow with her. We are about to tell you a tale that speaks of determination, hard work, passion, and relentless pursuit of success. A tale of getting along with all, empowering each other and being happy together. A tale of great taste blended by nature, technology, and asset. Mercely's. The cattle farmers of Dharmapuri are among the best in the country, producing record volumes every year. They are our biggest assets. More than 3,000 farmers supply milk to our factory, and those are collected through the chilling centers located within their villages. And this is where the journey of your mouth-watering ice cream starts. Our robust logistics ensures that the milk and fruits that reaches our factory is fresh and pure. They say farming is also a profession of truth. And here at Mercely's, truth is our culture and truth is transparent. Come and visit us at the most modern ice cream factory in India, built by Tetra Pak Denmark to be their model factory for our country.
Mercely's has two other factories, one at Trivandrum, the other in Calicut, Kerala. The third ice cream mega factory is capable to run 24 hours in multiple shifts and can produce 2.5 lakh liters of ice cream per day.
Mercely's wanted to go the extra mile to make you smile and keep you healthy. And thus prebiotics and probiotics became part of our ice cream. Yes, it's a new culture of health and taste that goes hand in hand. The secrets of nature and taste are open to those who seek. We thank nature for generously teaching us all that we know. We now endeavour to spread this happiness and health, the quest for knowledge, great farming culture, and our very dear farmers. We dream of growing beyond boundaries, beyond the ordinary, touching every soul, making everyone happy. And that we see as our success. We have our smiles now. It's time to see you smile. The smile of choosing the best. With the blessing of nature and the backing of technology, we present to you flavors of Mercely's ice cream. Natural and healthy.